Hi guys, Daniel here and welcome back to another one of my Epson how-to videos. In today's video we're looking at a WorkForce printer. It's the WF7830, but this will apply to other models in the WorkForce range and even the EcoTank actually. So if you've got one of these printers and you've been having various problems with it, with the printing, the scanning, the copying, or even the network, this is how you can reset the settings on it, put everything back to defaults. Instead of returning the printer, try this first. So these have a digital display on the front of them. I'll try and focus that in. So we need to go along to settings, restore default settings, and there's a few options after this. And we've got a few settings we can restore on this. We've got network, copy, scan, fax, clear all data and settings. If you do clear all data and settings or network, you'll have to re-enter your Wi-Fi details, or you'll have to reconfigure the IP address. If you just want to reset the printer as when it came from the factory, just do clear all data and settings and hopefully that fixes your problem. But definitely try this first before you return it or do anything else. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions please ask me.